this fire. You are the change that has to happen in this state. Take this fire. Do not walk away from here and don't put your feet to action. You are standing here because you had to hear something to spark you and to ignite you to do something great. Each and every one of you can do something great in this community. I don't care how big you are, how big you aren't. Do something great. Use your mouth, use your hands, use your feet. Thank you.
Now, before we begin marching, I'm going to hand it over to her to lead the march. I have one of two announcements. First and foremost, there's a man here with a petition to ban grand jury from teaching the Louisiana police brutality. He is in a red and white shirt over here, and he will be located with his computer on a table over there. So if you're interested in learning more information and seeing what that's about, he will be over there. Now, before we begin our march, and I think Miss Laura is going to be leading the march starting there, and we're just going to circle around in this area, so we're not going anywhere. We're just staying here. I would like to have a moment of silence for all the victims of police brutality and for all the police who have died protecting us.